Congratulations, you've been accepted to Kean University. There are just 4 simple things you need to do before you can call yourself a Kean Cougar. First on your enrollment checklist is to fill out your financial aid application. To get started, go to www.pin.ed.gov and apply for your electronic PIN. Then visit FAFSA.gov to apply. If you need assistance, contact the Office of Financial Aid, located on the first floor of the administration building. Next, for the full college experience, you'll need to apply for housing. You can stop by the office located in Whiteman Hall. Visit them online or take a tour and check out your options. Third on your list is placement testing and pre-advisement. Look out for a letter from the testing office. If testing is required, you must make your own appointment. To do this, visit placementtest.kean.edu to register. Be sure to print out the confirmation page, parking flyer, and a campus map to bring with you on the day of testing. There are many resources available to review before the placement test, so make sure to take advantage. Immediately after the placement test, you will receive pre-advisement to review your test scores and your intended major requirements. If you have any questions, contact the Kean Testing Office, located in the CAS building, room 207. Your final to-do is new student registration. A few days after your placement test, you'll receive an email inviting you to attend a freshman registration in the CAS building. Click on the link provided in the invitation to reply. Once you've completed all 4 items in the enrollment checklist, you can call yourself a Cougar. Welcome to Kean.